Guys, welcome back. We got everything set up to plate up our chicken stir fry and our crazy wonton. My sous chef here is getting ahead of the garnish a little bit. That's a good look, isn't it? I guess I better catch up with you a little bit, won't I? So we got the fried cellophane noodles, and we got the stir fry. And notice how we made a boat with the wonton sticker. Oh yeah, bring it, Gabby. Good job, bring it. This is great, isn't it? Look at how beautiful this is. So we got the cellophane noodles, cutting a little Vidalia onions.
There's onions in there.
I know, I'm putting a few more on there. We got this. Man, you are doing good. Put an egg roll on there too. Okay, I'll help. We got one egg roll. Do we need 2 egg rolls?
2.
Man, that is going to be a great lunch, isn't it? I think we have enough. Well, you might as well put them all on there, huh? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We got a great knife skill competition, and we're going to introduce the Eisele Culinary Academy next week. Have a great week. Thank you.